Good morning, Miss Rodriguez's class. Today we're going to talk about forces and motion. Ahora vamos a hablar de fuerzas y movimientos. See, for anything to move, you need a force to move it. Look at my chair. If I do nothing to it, it just stays there. But if I add some force to it, if I push it, it moves. See, the more force I add to it, the harder I push, the more it moves. Same thing with anything. If I take my soccer ball, or my volleyball, right? And if I were to put it on the ground, it does nothing. But if I kick it, it moves. See, when I do nothing to it, nothing happens. But what happens if I push my leg forward and kick it? The ball moves. Same thing with my chair. If I grab my chair and I push it, it moves. If I pull it, it also moves. So I need a force to make things move. Things do not move without a force. Just like my paper plane. If I take this paper plane and I do nothing to it, it just stays there. But if I grab it and I push it forward, it flies. See? Try it again. If I grab my paper plane and I push it forward, it flies. So that is what we're going to learn today. I'm going to teach you to make a paper plane, and then you're going to tell me what you notice. Nothing moves without a force. And I explained to you a few forces. You push something, it moves. You pull it, and it moves. I want you to experiment in your house with pushing and pulling things. I don't want you to break things, but here, my soccer ball or volleyball. If I do nothing to it, again, si no le hago nada, no se mueve. Pero si empujo mi pierna para adelante para pegarle, sí se mueve. Para que la pelota se mueva, necesito una fuerza. Y empujar mi pierna pegándole a la pelota hace que se mueva. We're going to be examining how we need forces to move things. By pushing and pulling things, we can get things to move. So right now, I'm going to show you how to make a paper plane. Okay. So first thing you're going to do to make this plane is grab any paper you want, fold it in half. Like this. Then you're going to open it. You're going to grab the corner and fold it in like this. Grab the other corner, fold it in the same way. Then you're going to fold it out like this. Okay. Next, you're going to take this edge here and fold it in half to meet the bottom. See? Okay, scientists? Now, you're going to fold it one more time. You're going to do a double fold. You're going to try to make sure that this part right here lines up with the bottom part. Like this. Then you're going to flip it over Do the same thing to the other side. And then you're gonna fold it in half one more time. Okay, and here's my paper plane. I want you to make your own paper plane. You can make all different kinds of paper planes. You can go on YouTube and there's different types of ways to make paper planes. I want you to experiment pushing the paper plane forward to see how far you can make it go. Try to make paper planes go as far as they can go. Okay, scientists? And then in class, we're going to discuss what you notice about movement, forces and movement when you push a paper plane or when you push anything, even my skateboard. If I do nothing to my skateboard, it just stays there. See? But if I get on it and push, it moves forward. And if I push back, it keeps moving. I want you to experiment with pushing and pulling. Experiment with forces. That is your homework assignment for the week. Make paper planes. Try to make it go as far as it can, and notice when you push something how it moves through the air. Okay? Bye, scientists. I will see you on Friday.